Alright, they just got that truss set up. We're putting braces on it called purlins. It's going to help support the roof, or the sheathing that goes on top of the roof. Using a nail gun that runs off of batteries.
Yeah.
Actually, it's not batteries, is it? That's gas, right?
Yeah, it's butane and battery.
Butane and batteries. So how does that work?
So it's almost like a grill igniter. The trigger is almost like a little spark, and there's a little cylinder which pushes the plunger to hit the nail.
Okay.
So as you push in, it sprays the butane, and then you hit the trigger, and it ignites and just shoots.
Oh, so it fires. That's a neat concept.
It's nice. The butane actually lasts probably 2,000 shots.
Until somebody's videotaping and it doesn't last anymore. So this lull will extend out. They have to bring that in on a special trailer because it's so heavy. Gas operated machine. Hydraulic cylinders here. We have lift cylinders here. Another large lift cylinder there. Some simple joystick controls. So they set the posts a few days ago. They've got a header going across here that's going to carry all of the trusses. If they didn't use trusses, they would have to use rafters. Rafters would have to be cut individually. Hole for a window up in the top, kind of hard to see it here. The whole structure had to be supported. Once the trusses are up, then the whole building is going to get much more sturdy. sledgehammer. That's how they set a truss. Thank you, gentlemen.